Imagine yourself holding your class 10 mark sheet with 100% written on it. How would that feel? Exciting, right? If you are starting your class 10 preparation, don't aim for 90% or 95%, but aim high and work towards it. As the famous saying goes, reach for the moon, and even if you fall short, you'll land among the stars. For most of you, setting the goal at 100% seems unrealistic, but believe me, anything is possible with determination and proper planning. And that's where EduRef come in. In this video, we will discuss what sets the toppers apart from other students. Well, it's not just about being a genius. In fact, many toppers follow some very basic tricks that every student knows but doesn't always follow. And lucky for you, we will discuss those tricks and strategies in this video. And there will be a second video, in which we will be breaking down subject-wise strategies for all your major subjects. So, buckle up and get ready to learn some game-changing techniques that can help you excel in your studies. First things first, start early. I know you have plans to chill for a few months and you want to start your preparation, maybe in June or July, but trust me, you'll fall behind. It's like preparing for a marathon. You need months of training and preparation. So, start as soon as your class 10 classes start, even if it means just doing your homework regularly, and maintain a balance between having fun and studying. These tasks may feel insignificant right now, but you'll gradually learn their importance in the video. So the first thing that you have to do is to start early, so that you can complete your syllabus by October-November, before your pre-boards, and you'll have full 3 months for your revision. Starting early for class 10 preparation can make students to lose interest or get bored while studying. So that's why the next tip is the most important. That is to be consistent. It's not about studying for 4 to 5 hours at once, but about being consistent with your study routine. Schedule your study time and treat it like an appointment with yourself. Make it a routine, whether it's an hour or 2 a day. This will help you avoid last-minute cramming and reduce stress. Being consistent is not only helpful in class 10 preparation, but when you make consistency your friend, anything is possible. Moving forward, let's address another crucial aspect of a student's journey: overcoming challenges in difficult subjects. I know you just don't want to study those subjects. Like for many of you, social science may be a boring subject that makes you feel sleepy every time you pick up its book, and for others, mathematics may give you nightmares. I know they may seem scary, but running away from them won't do you any good. Instead, face them head-on. This is the time to start working on the difficult subjects, as you have time to spare, because you started early. Break them down into smaller, more manageable chunks and make a study plan. You'll become more confident and gain a deeper understanding of the subject that you dislike the most. Now moving on to the next point that you all know but is difficult to follow. That is to avoid distractions. This is the most followed tip by toppers. Make sure that while you are studying you are completely focused, whether you are studying for half an hour or more. To avoid distractions, find a quiet space and turn off your phone. If you focus while studying, you can completely enjoy your free time guilt-free. Next, while learning any new concept, try to understand it instead of cramming it. Believe me, if you understand a concept, instead of just memorizing it, you'll be able to recall it not only in the exams, but it will also lay a strong foundation for your future academic journey. For example, for students who wish to pursue science in the future, having a strong foundation in mathematics will help them a lot. Here is a trick to solidify your concepts. After learning a concept, make sure to practice it by solving questions of different types. Before moving on, here is some helpful information regarding questions. Every chapter on EduRef has been designed in such a way that you get a variety of questions to practice, including MCQs, short and long answer questions, and much more. So, after you have completed a chapter, it is recommended to practice questions from the EduRev app. So be sure to evaluate yourself regularly. This will help you identify what you're doing well and where you need to improve. Many students continue studying without evaluating themselves and end up disappointed when they are unable to recall it in the exam. This is because they haven't evaluated themselves to check if they actually understood whatever they have studied. But there is a way to practice perfectly like toppers. While practicing, keep blank pages to write answers and make sure that you write answers as you would like in the exam. This will help you to improve your speed and presentation skills. Practice writing answers in a legible and neat handwriting. If you need help in improving your answer writing skills, you can try to copy the writing styles of toppers. Topper sheets are a great way to learn how to present your answers in a better way. If you need all the CBSE provided topper sheets of all subjects at one place, check them at the EduRev app. Staying motivated for an entire year feels nearly impossible, and self-evaluation is a sure short way to keep yourself motivated. Be regular in school and take various tests in your school, tuitions, and EduRev with utmost seriousness. Treat every attempt as if it were your final shot, pushing yourself to perform at your best each time. When you consistently perform well in these tests, you'll experience a sense of achievement that acts as a powerful motivator. Just as a runner trains by winning smaller races, your journey towards acing the Class 10 board exams starts with conquering these regular tests. Now you have a golden opportunity in the form of summer vacations, and you should use them efficiently to get ahead in your studies. The good news is that you can cover the majority of your syllabus during this time, and the syllabus for Class 10 is relatively easy to understand, so you can rely on self-study the most. With plenty of resources available online, you can access study materials, practice tests, and expert advice to help you prepare for your exams. Even if any chapter is not covered in your school or tuition and you have time to study the same, you can use EduRev to learn at your own pace. You can learn any chapter with the video lectures and chapter notes and find solved NCERT solutions in the EduRev app. So, this is the time to focus on your goals, set up a study plan, and prioritize your tasks. With discipline, determination, and a positive attitude, you can make the most of your summer vacations. The last point is to make sure you maintain your school notebooks right from the beginning of the school year. Believe me, if you don't, you'll be scrambling to make new ones before your pre-boards in October-November, because you need good marks in the internal evaluation. And let's be honest, you won't want to waste your precious time on that when you could be revising instead. So, stay organized, keep your notes neat, and save yourself some stress. So this is the end of our video. In this video we covered the most important tips followed by toppers such as starting early, staying consistent, facing your challenges, avoiding distractions, understanding your concepts, practicing perfectly, using summer vacation efficiently and maintaining notebooks since beginning. Remember, anything is possible with determination and proper planning, and EduRev is here to help you out. With these tips and tricks, you can achieve your goal and hold your Class 10 mark sheet with 100% written on it. See you in the next video with subject-wise tips and tricks.